start tearing into this thing and remove this lock screw here. Put that away to the side for us to lose for later. We've got to start taking this top part off.
One thing you may want to note before you remove that lock screw is this is only screwed on so far on these threads, so you may want to note how many threads you have left before you remove this.
I believe it's some sort of adjustment to compensate for clutch plate wear. Again, not a transmission guy. That would be one of my guesses. I know that there are some things in this transmission that are adjustable. We hoped that when it first started happening, that would be it. We just need an adjustment. All over this transmission, the one thing we found in common is there's been tiny sprinklings of metal dust everywhere, which is never a good thing when you get into a transmission or any machinery that moves to find lots and lots of metal parts.
Okay, so the next part is remove the retaining ring, which is this. And this service manual is the Paragon Transmission Service Manual. You can find it online, but I'll leave a link to it in the description, in the comments. So,
they're actually stating that. Is that a snap ring? Did you bring snap ring pliers?
no, I didn't. Alright, so the next thing we did is remove this snap ring. And then
Washer. Oh. $28. Disc carrier.
disc carrier.
This is what you're supposed to remove next. Feels kind of stuck. What's that noise? That is horrible.
Just rusty on that. Around that. Okay,
Alright, hang on.
then this.
I don't know. Where's the deal? Move the retaining ring. Alright, let's just start going. Which way did that come off?
What's that? This?
Yeah.
This way. This is.
Alright. Now, where are those little springs at?
Over here.
There should be 3.
Yeah. 1, 2, 3.
Hang on. You gotta flip it. Like this. See what I'm saying? We're still recording.
Yeah.
Does that look worn?
really, but I'm not a transmission filler. Smells burnt.
Let's put these in some block. These have reversed the way they're fit in there, haven't they?
Do what?
Nothing.
What's reversed?
Nothing. Is this the way I go?
Look at all them little bitty needle bearings.
I'm gonna start stacking this like this, right?
Sure.
Okay. Snap rings. We're not really following order anymore. Does that matter?
Yeah, okay. That's just grease and say I look gouged. Now that one's gonna have to come in.
How do you make that happen?
This is gonna be a little bit different deal here.
Okay. We can't lose these. Those all look good, don't they?
Yeah. Alright, this is where you're going to have to wedge yours in the side here, and we're just going to have to work it around.
Hang on.
Okay. As far back as you can get it.
Easy. Are they supposed to have like two little dimples on them?
What's that? It's just a kind of right in there.
Yeah.
Still not far enough. Can you do it farther? Okay. Where's that?
Good catch.
Okay. Now, do we have to start taking it apart from the other side?
I think so.
Huh?
I think so. Alright.
Oh. Oh. That stuff happening here.
Alright, hang on. We just can't lose any no bearings. So leave this assembled on you. Here for now.
Okay, now that went in there just like that,
And then where?
behind that spacer. Well, there's a lot of gears in there.
It says it didn't. Bronze washer, there should be a retaining. Okay, there's that and that.
Then you got this over here.
Where's the end of the clutch plate? Okay. That's what went through there.
That I did. did.
I think so.